Bit of a gloomy day today, YouTube, but here we are, John Kleis Car Audio. My name's Connor, and even on this gloomy day, I'm still optimistic, positive, especially after we've done this cracking install of this KENWOOD in this Mercedes SLK. This was a chassis R717 code. If you're into your SLKs, it's a 2009 car. Let me show you what we've done in this one. So if I turn the ignition on, we've used the ProFit fascia, which means it fits nicely. Oh, and if you ask nicely enough, we'll put the old splash screen on as well, so you get your manufacturer logo come up on the unit when it turns on. Unit's booting up now. Let's get rid of that disclaimer. So this one is the DMX8020. Its model numbers may not mean a lot, but what you need to know is this is a cracking unit. This is the best model in the KENWOOD range without navigation built in. It has the capacitive touchscreen, which in essence means it's got the very responsive touchscreen, same technology your phone more than likely uses. It's got Wi-Fi built in, so you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Wireless Android Auto isn't available from all manufacturers, so that's a real nice feature. You've obviously got your basic functions as well, like DAB radio, FM radio, Bluetooth and the like. DAB is picked up in this car by official KENWOOD DAB windscreen aerial. We find they are probably the best windscreen mounted DAB aerial on the market. This one has had the USBs fitted into the center console just below my elbow just here. Real tidy install. Customer probably won't use the USBs that often because obviously it's wireless, but they're there just in case he wants to charge his iPhone or his other phone, for example. Fully reversible installation. Yeah, cracking install. You can review this after your installation on KENWOOD's review program as well, so you can review your installer and whether you like the radio or how much you like the radio, you can review it. Yeah, job done. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot.